In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up spatial wallpapers on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. So what are spatial wallpapers? They're basically 3D wallpapers that respond to motion. When you tilt your phone from side to side or up and down, the image creates this cool depth effect that makes your lock screen look three-dimensional. It's a nice visual upgrade that really brings your lock screen to life. Now, before we jump into the tutorial, if you're new here, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, because it helps me out a lot. All right, here's how you set it up. First thing you need to do is make sure you're on your home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of your screen until you open up the notification center. Now you're going to long press anywhere on the screen and hold it for a couple of seconds until you see a menu pop up. Look for the Customize button at the bottom of that menu and tap on it. This is going to open up your lock screen editor where you can change your wallpaper and add that spatial effect. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is add a new photo as your wallpaper. Tap on the option to add a photo and select one from your camera roll. Here's a quick tip. For the best results with spatial wallpapers, use photos of people or even your pet photos. The spatial effect works really well on faces and creates that 3D depth much better than it does with landscapes or random objects. Once you've selected your photo, you'll see a little icon next to the three dots menu. That's your spatial effect button. Tap on that icon, and your iPhone is going to analyze the photo for a few seconds. After that, the 3D spatial effect will automatically be applied to your wallpaper. You'll notice the difference right away when you start tilting your phone. Move it left to right, top to bottom, and you'll see how the image shifts and creates that depth effect, like the photo is actually popping out of the screen. And that's really all there is to it. Pretty straightforward feature, but it definitely makes your lock screen look a lot more interesting. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.